The rainy season is a time of rejuvenation and growth. Plants thrive on the abundant water. However, too much rain can be harmful. Excessive rainfall can lead to problems. Soil can become waterlogged, depriving roots of vital oxygen. High humidity creates a breeding ground for fungal diseases. Pests also flourish in these damp conditions. Despite these challenges, the rainy season offers many benefits. Rainwater is a natural source of hydration for plants. It is free from the chemicals often found in tap water. By understanding the impact of rain, we can help our gardens thrive. Let's explore some practical tips to protect and nourish our plants during this season. Healthy soil is crucial for plant health, especially during the rainy season. Soggy soil prevents roots from absorbing nutrients. This can stunt growth and even kill plants. Improving soil drainage is essential. Add organic matter like compost or manure to your soil. This improves its structure and allows water to drain more easily. Avoid compacting the soil. Walking on wet soil compresses it, hindering drainage. If you have heavy clay soil, consider creating raised beds. Mulching around plants helps retain moisture. It also suppresses weeds that compete for nutrients. Use organic mulches like bark chips or straw. The humid conditions of the rainy season are ideal for fungal diseases. These infections can damage leaves, stems, and even roots. Prevention is key. Choose disease-resistant plant varieties whenever possible. Ensure adequate spacing between plants to improve air circulation. Water your plants at the base, avoiding the leaves. Wet leaves are more susceptible to fungal infections. Remove any fallen leaves or debris promptly. If you notice signs of fungal disease, treat it immediately. Use a fungicide specifically designed for the issue. Follow the instructions carefully. Section 4. Pest Control. Protecting your plants from unwanted visitors. The rainy season brings an increase in pest activity. Slugs, snails, aphids, and other pests thrive in damp conditions. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of infestation. Look for holes in leaves, sticky residue, or the pests themselves. Handpick larger pests like slugs and snails. Dispose of them far from your garden. You can also use traps or barriers to deter them. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. These natural predators help control pest populations. Avoid using broad-spectrum pesticides, as these can harm beneficial insects as well. Section 5. Tailored care. Tips for different plant types. Different plants have different needs during the rainy season. Here are some specific tips for vegetable gardens, flower gardens, and indoor plants. For vegetable gardens, choose vegetables that tolerate wet conditions, such as leafy greens and root vegetables. Provide support for tall plants to prevent them from collapsing under the weight of rain. Harvest vegetables promptly to avoid rotting. For flower gardens, opt for flowers that thrive in moist environments, such as hydrangeas and ferns. Deadheads spent blooms to encourage continuous flowering. Avoid planting delicate flowers that are easily damaged by heavy rain. For indoor plants, reduce watering frequency, as indoor plants dry out more slowly during the rainy season. Ensure adequate ventilation to prevent fungal growth. Avoid placing plants in areas with direct exposure to rain or strong winds. Section 6. Making the most of the rainy season. The rainy season presents both challenges and opportunities for gardeners. By understanding the impact of rain and taking appropriate measures, we can help our plants thrive. Embrace the benefits of rainwater by using it to irrigate your garden. Install rain barrels or use buckets to collect rainwater. This conserves water and provides your plants with a natural source of hydration. Use the rainy season as an opportunity to observe your garden. Identify areas where drainage needs improvement. Take note of which plants are thriving and which are struggling. Remember, with a little care and attention, your garden can flourish throughout the rainy season. Enjoy the beauty of nature's water cycle and reap the rewards of a healthy and vibrant garden.